The way we buy is broken. Products made today are failing us faster than ever,
forcing us to buy new stuff just so we can throw it away again and again.
It's terrible value for money and a shocking waste of time, energy, and resources.
I'm Tara Button, the founder of Buy Me Once. Our aim is to sell the longest lasting products on earth. We're back after our successful crowdfund in 2019. To those who invested, we've got some great news on our performance. We achieved over 330% year-on-year growth, and we'll show you how your investment made that possible in just a minute.
To those new to Buy Me Once, we are a rare win-win for people, planet, and business.
We're helping people by doing the research so that they don't have to.
Finding durable, high-quality choices that can save them money over time.
For example, appliances now break at twice the rate of 2004.
Imagine appliances that carry on working for years and years rather than just a few months.
We help the planet by tackling the overconsumption that causes waste and climate change.
Each year in the UK, 22 million items of furniture are binned, and half of new fast fashion items are thrown away.
Longer-lasting products are such an overlooked solution to climate change. For example, if you get a t-shirt to last just 9 months longer, you can save between 20 to 30% on CO2, water waste, and pollution. Imagine the impact if we could get everything lasting for years longer.
And finally, we help business by allowing brands to compete on quality.
By highlighting sustainability and durability, Buy Me Once is helping brands compete on quality, avoiding the race to the bottom.
Research is our USP.
We ask, is this brand using the best materials and construction to make their products more durable and more fixable? Is the aftercare exceptional? Is the supply chain responsible? Does it have timeless appeal? Are they solving the longevity problem in an innovative way? This proprietary process means we're able to offer a curated range of high-quality essentials across 6 key categories.
These include our UK-exclusive pans made to last for centuries, a smartphone with a warranty 4 times longer than an iPhone, and socks that just don't quit. We've come such a long way since 2016 when an unknown blog went viral around the world. We launched our first online shop in 2018, which led to our first successful round with Crowdcube in 2019. To those who invested, thank you. Your investment has been game-changing.
As promised, we were able to stop sending customers to other sites to buy products.
All our products are now sold directly to customers through a strategic blend of wholesale and dropshipping.
This lessens risk and means that we can achieve margins of up to 70%.
We invested in market research, finding out more about our customers, and discovered more than 1 in 5 people in the UK have already heard of Buy Me Once.
We brought key people on board, including marketing, finance, customer service, research, and supply chain.
And brought on Native, Patagonia's own digital agency, to manage our first paid marketing spend.
It's been amazing working with Buy Me Once over the past year. Their outlook on sustainability is really refreshing. And from a digital marketing perspective, the audiences that we're reaching are really receptive to the Buy Me Once message. And as a result, we're seeing really, really good results that are above industry standard.
Thanks to your investment, our sales have grown over 4 times year on year.
And our marketing spend is now paying for itself, which means that we can be confident of scaling.
I'm an active and proud investor in Buy Me Once because I believe that in order for there to be a sustainable future, products must have transparency across the value chain. It is also critical these products stand the test of time. The BMO team are both purpose-led and have the skills and drive to build a profitable, sustainable business. They've already achieved some excellent growth and have created a solid runway for future success.
Buy Me Once aims to disrupt mainstream retail by offering a curated range of a boutique department store, the trust of a review site, and the peace of mind that comes with eco-credibility.
We lead the longevity space, being #1 on Google, with the most traffic and biggest social following.
What's more, I even wrote the book on long-lasting products. We're adding to our defensibility all the time, focusing in on adding exclusive products and warranties that customers would not be able to get anywhere else.
Over 60% of our brands choose not to sell on Amazon.
And with your help, next year we'll be building our own products too. Imagine products designed from the ground up to last as long as possible. Game-changing.
The Buy Me Once team has decades of retail, marketing, and financial expertise, with tenures at Harvey Nichols, Burberry, PwC, and blue-chip ad agencies.
Your investment is going to be used to drive our 3 levers of growth: traffic, conversion, and new products. We'll also be able to embark on some really exciting projects, such as building a cost per use calculator, testing products to destruction, and even building our own gift registry.
Investors in Buy Me Once can join a new community of testing volunteers to try some of the best and most exciting products in the world. Do your worst and tell us how the products did.
We're a business at the heart of the eco-revolution, growing at an amazing pace. Please join our Buy for Life movement. Invest in us, invest in the future of products, and the future of the planet.